Hello everyone, my name is Shiva Kumar. I'm from Hyderabad and Telangana, and I'm a BTech graduate. Later, I joined Envision Technosa after getting information about it from my friend. And Envision provides 100% placement assistance after course completion. Within 1 month of completing my course, I got selected at a DXC Technology with a package of 3.5 LPA. And I'm very thankful to eVision for helping me to achieve this opportunity. Uh, Within 45 days of training, I transformed from a beginner to a confident professional. And the training helped me improve my technical knowledge and skills significantly. I would like to especially thank Ganesh sir, Priya ma'am and Kajal ma'am for contact support and guidance. I would also like to thankful my favorite faculty members, Prasanjit sir and Prince Kumar sir, for their excellent teaching and motivation. In the upcoming days, I am also planning for to join a cloud course to enhance my skills further. And I highly recommend eVision to everyone who wants to quick start their career, gain practical experience and skills, become industry ready, get selected in a good reputation organization. Thank you, eVision, for everything.